How to fix Messenger send failed. You are temporarily restricted. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix Messenger send failed, or if you're not being able to send any messages on Messenger saying you are temporarily restricted. Now this usually happens when you have violated any guidelines on Messenger. Now if you have sent any suspicious videos or files, or you have sent or spammed text messages, or you have spammed messaging, then this might happen, or Facebook might block you, or Messenger might block you from being able to do so for temporarily amount of time. Now there is not anything much that you can do except for waiting. Now you are temporarily restricted, usually for 48 hours to 24 hours or so. So what you want to do is you just want to wait up until the ban gets uplifted, because since it's temporary, you'll be able to send messages again. So what you want to do is simply wait in. Until then, you can create another account, or you can add another account and you can use it for messaging. However, before that you won't be able to do so. So what you want to do is wait until the restriction gets lifted. So this way you can fix Messenger send failed. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.